Hi, my name is George Tallabas, and I'm an associate broker with Remax Executives here in Southwest Idaho. Today is March 1, 2021, and I wanted to talk to you today about private money financing in real estate. The traditional vehicles that have been used over the decades to finance real estate, especially homes, has been the government programs of FHA and VA and conventional loans. And that has just been the way it's been over the decades. Well, if a buyer does not quite qualify for an FHA or VA or conventional loan due to credit issues, down payment issues, job history, there's a possibility that they can look at private money financing. Hopkins Financial Services, Randy Hopkins, started in 1983 his real estate business, and by 1994 he had started Hopkins Financial Services. So he's been around a long time, and they've done over $500 million in transactions in real estate over the decades. So they're very experienced. If you're a buyer that has less than stellar credit or is lacking a down payment, and you're thinking you can't buy a home until you fix things up, think again. I have some clients that were relocated here to Idaho, or to southern Idaho, excuse me, from northern Idaho 2 years ago. They had some credit issues, so they had to get a private money financing loan for 2 years. Had to pay a little bit higher interest rate, but they wanted to get into the home, so they used that loan to buy a home that I sold them. Now they're in the process of refinancing out of that higher interest loan into a low interest rate loan today, because their credit is now repaired and they're happy campers. There again, if you're a home buyer or you're a buyer looking to invest in a mobile home park or an RV park, commercial property, and you want somebody that thinks outside the box, think about that. Hopkins Financial Services, Randy Hopkins was recently telling me that he had a project where the buyer didn't have the down payment he needed for a large commercial or land project. Hopkins Financial made him the loan for the down payment as well as the loan for the property. And by doing that, Hopkins Financial had an interest in the property, a percentage interest in the property. The buyer had an interest in the property as well. So it allowed this buyer a vehicle to obtain this property without everything being perfect. So that's a wonderful opportunity for buyers that are out there. Again, you don't have to be just a home buyer. You can be an investor looking to get into a mobile home park or an RV park, commercial property, retail store, whatever. That's what private money can help you with. And a lot of times they can do things that your traditional lenders cannot do. I'll put a link for Hopkins Financial Services down below in the description. I'll also have my information down there and at the end of this video. If you have any questions, give me a call, and I hope you're all well. Thank you.